Hi peeps, I'm back again with my signature recipe, chicken bell pepper. We can have this with hot rice, curd and pickle. It's so delicious. I would prefer to have it with buttermilk. So let's get started. 1 kg fresh chicken, 2 medium sized onions, 2 green chilies sliced, 2 tablespoon crushed ginger, 1.5 teaspoon crushed garlic, 2 medium sized tomatoes and the star bell pepper. So let's heat the pan. I add sunflower oil, oil of your choice. Into this I add the onions and the green chili. Sauteed really well till it is goldenish brown. I will be adding the salt in the starting because it would be easier for the onions to cook faster. So here goes 2 small custard teaspoon of salt. So here the onions are cooked. I'll be adding the ginger and the garlic crushed. Mix it well until you feel the aroma. You can close the lid and cook or open the lid as per your choice. Here I have used pressure cooker, so I will be closing the lid once I mix it well. I'll be adding the peeled tomatoes. Tomatoes is one big story. I peel off the skin, remove the seeds so that it's easy. I prefer it that way. You can see a mild OCD I have. I have it with the tomatoes. So this is the story of my tomato. It has been cooked so well. There will be no chunks, everything equally cooked. I'll be adding the dry masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili. This is the spicy red chili. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. And the next I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Whoever prefers spicy can go as per your choice. To this I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, also known as the coriander. So let's mix it really very well. You can see the oil separating. This is where we add the star of the show, the bell pepper. I prefer it now. The reason why, because the masala has to get soaked in the green pepper. So mix it really well. Now goes in the chicken. Slowly mix it delicately so that the masala gets mixed to the chicken too. This is my favorite recipe with my mother-in-law and in my parents' place, so I thought I'll share it with you all too to check out. This is so delicious and yummy. I'll be adding water in the starting just for simmering. Last, as we know, the chicken will bring out its own water, so do not add more of water in the starting. Allow it to cook. The gravy is ready. Let's transfer it to the serving bowl. It's extremely hot. I'll be adding a special recipe ingredient, that is the cream, the fresh cream. Garnish it with coriander leaves. And yes, serve it with your loved ones with hot rice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please mention in the comment box if you like the recipe. Thank you.